In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a box shadow in Elementor. Creating a visually appealing web design is all about the details, and adding a subtle box shadow can have a big impact on how your elements stand out on a page. Whether you're working on a personal project or designing for a client, understanding how to apply these shadows correctly will enhance your design significantly. First, let's get started by opening your Elementor editor. Once you're in the editor and ready to enhance your design, select the element you'd like to add the box shadow to. This could be anything from a text box, an image container, to a whole column or section. The flexibility here allows you to use shadows to create depth and focus within your design. With the element highlighted, direct your attention to the left-hand panel and look for the Style tab. By navigating to this area, you'll find a host of styling options available to you. Within the Style tab, select the Box Shadow option. Now, you will see various parameters you can use to customize your shadow. Let's start with the color of your shadow. You might want to choose a color that subtly blends with your design or stands out to create a dramatic effect. Most of the time, a softer, grayish tone works well for creating a natural shadow look, but feel free to experiment according to your needs and preferences. Next, you'll want to adjust the horizontal and vertical offsets of your box shadow. The horizontal offset will determine how far to the left or right your shadow falls, while the vertical offset will control how high or low below the element the shadow is cast. These two features help you decide the light source angle, giving you total creative control. After that, put your focus on the blur radius and spread. The blur radius is what makes the edges of your shadow softer or harder. Raising this number will give the shadow a more diffused look, making it appear more natural. Meanwhile, the spread is all about the size of the shadow. Increasing it will spread the shadow outward, making it larger. Finally, adjust the opacity to get the desired transparency of your shadow. Opacity allows you to decide how bold or subtle your shadow appears. A lower opacity can give a more understated effect, while a higher one will make it vibrant and pronounced. Now that you've tweaked all these settings, take a step back and see how your shadow enhances your design. Feel free to make any additional modifications you need. Remember, the key to a well-designed shadow is to create that fine balance of subtlety and impact, enhancing without overpowering your main design elements. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding box shadows in Elementor. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!